Hi, this is Anthony over here at foreUP Golf Software. Now that the new tee sheet has been activated at your golf course, we're going to show you how to take advantage of a new setting called Back 9 Online Booking. Those settings are found on the back end of the new tee sheet settings. And to get started, we're going to go into the settings module. Okay, let's look at a new feature that's offered in the new tee sheet, which is Online Back 9 Booking. To access that and to get that set up, we're going to go to the settings within the tee sheet. Go into our tee sheet settings and go to online year setup, and we're going to be working with the day templates today. So just as a note, only one day template can be assigned per day. So whatever settings that you're going to make, you have to apply those settings to that day template. So we're going to apply it to the default day template because that controls my weekdays, and then we're going to also set Back 9 booking settings to our weekend day template as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our editing for the day template. And you can see in this time frame right here, we've got our rotation management. So we've got the front 9 and then the back 9. So right now, only online booking is allowed for the front 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a time frame to allow back 9 booking for the first 2 hours of the day, because I allow booking to go off of the front 9 for 18 holes starting at 6 a.m. And I have 2 hours on the back 9 from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. that's being unused and it's not being sold. So I've got wasted inventory. So if I really want to maximize my revenue and my tee sheet for those days, I'm going to allow online booking for those first 2 hours, and then I'm going to let it revert back to the default settings so regular 18 booking can continue for the rest of the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a time frame. We're going to set it to the beginning of the day all the way to 8 a.m. So now we've got the front 9, which is allowing online booking for 4 players, riding, and we're going to say 18 holes is required. Now on the back 9, I'm also going to allow booking, but only for 9 holes, and riding is required. So we set that for our default day, which is our weekday. We'll hit Save Changes. And so now that gets set for the whole year for all the days that are set for my default day. I would just do the same thing for the weekend to apply it for those day templates as well. So to see these settings applied, we're going to save settings. We're going to hit refresh. And we're actually going to look at our online booking portal to see how that affects it. So you can see if I switch over to tomorrow, you can see that now at the beginning of the day, I've got 2 tee times available for 6 a.m. So off of the front 9, I've got 18 holes being able to play, and then I've got the back 9 being able to play as well off of the back 9 for 6 a.m. So you can see that continues to front and back all the way until 8 a.m. So now you can see front and back, and then after 8 a.m., it does no longer show back 9 holes available for online booking. And that's all set through the day template settings. So now with that setting activated at your golf course, you're going to be able to maximize your tee sheet and your revenue for lost inventory. I hope that helps you with your tee sheet and your facility. If you have any questions, just please let us know. Have a great day.